Hello students. Students, this is Ms. Priya Rathore and today I am with English class. So please take out your book number 5 and in book number 5 we are going to write letter S, small and capital both, as we had completed the introduction of letter S in our live class. So today we are going to do related exercises of letter S and we will learn the formation of letter S, capital and small both. So for that you have to open the page number 2424. Here it is. You have to take out the page number 2424, 2525, 2626, 2727. So firstly we will start with page number 2424. Okay. So students, here you have to mention today's date on these 4 pages. Okay. And the today's date is 18/12/20 classwork. Students, first of all, here we will solve this exercise. So let's read the caption. Look at the pictures. Take the socks with the capital S. We have to take that socks that are with capital S and cross the socks with the small s, and we have to put cross and dot socks that is with small s. So tell me, which S is this? See, the formation of both the S are same and they both are looking similar, but they are different in their sizes. This is capital S and this is small s. This is capital S. So for capital S we will put tick, and for small s we are going to put cross. Now tell me, is this capital S or small s? This is capital S. For capital S, we will put tick. And for small s, we will put cross. Here also, which S is this? Capital or small? It's small. So for small s, we will put cross. And it is capital S. So for capital S, we will put tick. Which S is this? Capital or small? It's small. So we will put cross. Which S is this? Capital S. So we will put tick. So students, in this way you have to complete this exercise. Okay. After completing the page number 2424, you have to go with the page number 2525. Okay. Here we are going to trace the letter and color the picture. First of all, we will trace this letter and identify also. After that, we will color this picture. Okay. So this is letter S, capital S. For writing capital S, we required only 3 lines. The first one is red line and these 2 blue lines. Fine. So we will start from here. Okay. Now from here, we will go up to the red line. Make a right open curve. Come to the blue line. Do it slowly, slowly. After touching this blue line, we will turn it and come towards left hand side. So this is the formation of letter S, capital S. Fine. Now after completing the letter S, we will color this picture. Which picture is this? Sun. Which picture is this? Sun. So sun is with yellow color. So orange color as well. So we will color this circle with yellow color and the rays of the sun we will do with orange color. Okay. Here, I'll show you how. So students, in this way you have to complete this picture. Okay, speak sun. Okay, you have to speak and write. Okay, now trace and write. We will trace this letter and write it also without dots. Okay, so I request your parents, please encourage your child to name the pictures and read aloud the letter while tracing and writing. As pictures are also given on the page number 20, 21, 22 and 23. Okay, so let's start. Keep a pencil here. Go up to the red line. Come down to the blue line. And from here, like this. From here, we will touch to the red line. Come to the blue line. Then towards left hand side, touch to the blue line. Then go up. Which letter is this? It's capital S. Which letter is this? It's capital S. Which S is this? Capital S. Speak capital S. Capital S is start with red line. Okay. Now capital S tracing done. Now start writing without dots. Okay. So we will start from here. No, we will start from here. From here we will go to the red line. Come this line, blue one. Then turn it towards left hand side. Touch to the blue line. Then go up. This is the formation of small s. Now speak and write. S sun. S sandwich. S shoes. S socks. S snow. S soup. S sandwich. S sand. S seagull. Okay students, in this way you have to complete these two pages. Now after completing this, turn your page and take out the page number 2626. Now here also we have to trace the letter. Trace this letter. Oh, this letter is similar to the letter S, but that was capital S and this is small s. Cross the picture that does not start with S. We have to cross that picture that is not start with letter S. So the formation is same of small s, but it starts from blue line to blue line only. In this way, keep a pencil here, go to the blue line, take a curve towards right hand side, then again take a curve towards left hand side, touch to the blue line and go little bit up. Fine. Now tell me, S a teapot? No. S a spider? Yes. So we will cross this one because it's not start with letter S. Now here we are going to trace and write small s. Which s? Small s. And small s start from here. Go to the blue line. Curve towards right hand side. Then curve towards left hand side. Touch to the blue line. Little bit up. Letter small s. Which letter I am writing? I am writing small s. Which letter is this? Small s. Now here we are going without dots. So keep a pencil here. Go to the blue line. Come to the towards right hand side. Then again take a curve to the blue line. Go up. Which letter is this? It's small s. Which letter is this? Small s. S a snail. S a spoon. S a strawberry. S a sun. S a sand. S a sun. S a soup. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 26 with speak and write. Okay. Now come to the page number 2727. Okay students. Here color the pictures whose name start with the letter S, means capital S, and write the capital and small s below them. So, we will identify the pictures that start with S. After that, we will write letter capital and small both, and after that we will color the picture. So tell me, S a snail? Yes, it is. So we will write capital S and small s as well. S a dog? No, so we will not write anything. S a strawberry? Yes, so we will write capital S and small s. Now tell me, S a sun? Yes, so we will write capital S and small s. Now tell me, S a rose? No, so we will not write anything. Now tell me, S a spoon? Yes, so we will write capital S and small s as well. Fine. Now after writing the letter S, let's start the pictures with letter S. We will color the pictures. Okay. So for snail, I am going to take yellow color here and the green color here. Okay. And for strawberry, I'll take red color, green color and black color. So in the seeds, I'll use black color, and for this leaf and stem, I'll take green color, and for this, I'll take red color. And for sun, in the middle portion, I'll take yellow color, and here I'll do orange color. Fine. For spoon, I'll use light blue color. Okay, I'll show you how. See students, in this way you have to complete the page number 2727. Okay students, now please take out your English workbook. So students, this is your English workbook, and in English workbook you have to take out the page number 5252 and 5353. See students, here you have to mention today's date on both the pages, and please put check on classwork. Students, as you all know, we had done the letter R in our book number 5. Here you have to do practice of capital R as well as small r. Okay. So here we are going to trace and write and speak with pictures and name some words. So start with me. Standing line, one left open curve, then one slant line to the blue line. Capital R. Which R is this? Capital R. R rose. R ring. R rabbit. R rainbow. Okay students, in this way you have to do the practice and complete the page number 5 to 52. Fine. See students, in this way you have to write capital R, okay, on page number 5 to 52 in a very good handwriting. Okay, after completing capital R, we are going to write small r. Okay, here also you have to do the practice of a small r. For that you have to make one standing line from blue line to blue line. After that, make one curve towards a word touch to the blue line. It's small r. Which r is this? Small r. R ring. R rope. R rainbow. R rabbit. See students, in this way you have to complete the page number 5353 as well, and all the work you have to submit on Google Classroom by 5:30 in a PDF form. Okay, thank you.